Hey, I'm Erica with WTI, and I've been looking for a nice, light, airy curtain for my kitchen, and these boho curtains from Jinchan are it.
I love the cute boho design on these curtains. It's visually interesting without being really overwhelming pattern. And the quality of these curtains are so good. This linen material is really nice, and even the stitching on these are very good quality. I was also impressed by the weight of the fabric. I didn't want a curtain that made my kitchen really dark during the day, but I also wanted some privacy so that my neighbors couldn't see through my house. And this linen fabric lets the perfect amount of light in. And the best part about these curtains is that they're machine washable. So if you get anything on them in the kitchen while you're cooking, just throw them in the wash.
These Jinchan curtains are so affordable, but look and feel high quality. They'll be a beautiful addition to your kitchen, and you'll be so happy with your purchase. But that's just my point of view.